Welcome to Malaysia. We are now going to Genting. So what we are looking for is the Sky Central or Skyway. We are going to buy tickets so we can ride a cable car. So here we are, Awana Sky Central. It's Saturday today, so I expect a lot of people. I have to fix my shoes. Check out what's in ADV. So this, for example, a lot of I'm not sure, I think it's marshmallow, sunflower seeds, nuts, durian tea or durian white coffee. Okay, Jelly Aces. See, it's really interesting. So this is like something like a crunchy biscuits, but you can see fillings inside. There's chocolate filling. This one is what? Cheese filling. This is black sesame. So aside from that, you can see a lot of like gummy bears. See gummy bears. Organic noodles. So this is black rice flat noodles, sweet potato, and all that sauce is extreme hot chili sauce. And yeah, here we have ginger candy, so it's really interesting packaging. There's, wow, that's coconut candy. You can, really looks cool, looks nice. And here there is a small sample. You can open it freely. You can take one and taste it. Like, there's a free taste, so try to taste it. Sour cola type. Ah yeah, it's called type. Gummy types. Okay. Hassan decided to buy mochis. This one is, I guess it's a mochi. Alright, let's cut this off and let's go to the goal for today, which is the cable car ride. Alright, here we are. We have to buy ticket through the machine. It says self-service ticketing. So if you have card or cash, you can do it here or go to the counter.
Return it's 16 ringgit.
16 ringgit, wow. So here's how you buy tickets. So you will buy the standard gondola.
Туда и обратно. Glass gondola, no have reason. I already tried. Not interesting. Just wasting money.
Okay, so standard gondola is fine. Change goes here, ticket goes there. Why so many? Not going back.
Count, it must be 6.
Fourth, so we have here, I think eight tickets. So 2 for her, 2 for me, 2 for mom, and 2 for my husband. So we are going now to the queue. So okay, so she's gone and I'm gonna do it. Okay, I passed through. But why is it the other people are on the other side? Oh, okay, it's for a group. All right, understood. Wait for us. So here, it's really clean, very new, and I so love it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Go guys, go inside. Go inside, go inside. So, nie nada. We cannot do anything if other people will come. Давайте, давайте.
Смотри сюда, да.
Everybody's busy. Oh my god! So we are in Genting Highlands.
Выйдем на середине, да. В храм. В храм зайдем.
We're going out to the first station. I think we will go out to the first station, and what's in there is a temple, Chensi. And a few years ago we had a photo session there.
Сел, ноги свисают, и через голову так поезд. Такой у нас был в Узбекистане.
Beautiful place, beautiful view. And I also recommend that you go there.
А летом просто катают, да. Вот на тех, на которых лыжников. Да, на бугельных, да. Если еще на бугельных, это когда ты цепляешься.
Oh, it's very nice. Yeah.
We will climb the pagoda, да, honey?
Yeah, yeah.
I never climbed pagoda before.
We will go to the top
Мам, мы
of
поедем
that
наверх,
temple.
полезем наверх этой пагоды, видишь?
Pagoda, eh? So where is Kuala Lumpur? Kuala Lumpur is there.
Вот здесь видишь остановка, а
There's
потом вот
Kuala
такая лестница,
Lumpur. That's
которая
Kuala
ведет в храм.
Lumpur.
Потом мы по ней обратно поднимемся и спустимся.
It's so busy, Calvin.
Эскалаторы.
So this is the first station, right?
мечеть с золотым
And if you want to go to the temple, you walk over there. Where to walk? How to get there?
Вот это храм,
There,
да.
there. It's so long walk going
Смотри,
down.
как красиво.
А от що ми минуле таке здання відкрили.
Chinsi.
Джинси.
Chinsi station. So we are not going out, only later going back we will go out to Chinsi station. Okay, we are done with Chinsi station.
Живе парень.
Okay, let's see what's down
В
there.
следующем году поехать.
Forest, trees, plants, flowers.
Ну що вони тобі нужно?
It's a beautiful day.
В Черную
It's
Африку.
a little bit hazy, but the view is
А
so
тут,
nice.
оказывается, Максим уже там. Как это он так?
Не будь зависливий.
Не-не, я не завис, боже, спасибо, все интересно.
So another way to get to the Genting Highlands, where the casinos are located, is to go by car.
Прошу, моя гра.
So there's the road going up. Mhm.
Just another nice day. We are here. Here. Oh, look at the clouds. Kamu tanda picture.
Blue and white.
Не, молодец, просто удивила. Это такая не оригинальная, ну, не избитое направление, скажем так. Мягко говоря. Вон, видишь, ведь Twin Towers.
Here they started building the 20th century fox.
Ну, близнецы,
Attraction
я
or
примерно
park.
понимаю, где просто из-за
And
дымки не
now
очень.
I guess it's still in renovation, but for sure it's
Как тебе
already
высота, да?
beautiful and interesting. What's the outcome of the project?
Посмотри вниз.
Hope that in the next
Внизу видишь, как
years
это самое?
or next months
Сколько метров, не
we
знаю.
will check it also.
А вон горы пошли, горы, 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 горы.
Oh my god, it's so nice.
Красиво.
Не горы.
So if you're interested in casinos, gaming, attractions, you can come here.
Сюда
It's
можно на
so
машине
cool. It's
заехать,
not
там
hot.
дороги прикольные.
If you are tired
А то
from
там, видишь, вон
Kuala
дорога
Lumpur,
серпантина одни.
you can come here on wind and have fun. So here, another.
Да.
Oops.
Но нет, еще
No,
нет.
it's not a station.
Это типа промежуточная
Cannot go out
техническая.
here.
Техническая станция не выходит никто.
А, теперь мне вот так.
Не, мы поднимемся, там
that.
чуть походим и обратно вернемся к храму. Я давно не катался, если честно. С марта, что ли. С марта.
Okay, so there's the 20th century fox you can see.
Смотри, мам, там парк огромный делают.
Я боюсь, ночью назад дивлюся.
Narang 20th century fox dahil lang panggihim mo. Na ay roller coaster. Mm.
Такая гостиница, да,
Да, это одна гостиница, а там
See?
апартаменты.
So you can see the roller coaster is under construction. Everything. I see it's still a lot of things to do here.
А что ты так, мамочка, не с селфи-палкой, как эта бабушка не рисовала? Я тебя уже ж себя
Alright,
сняла
I
совсем
guess we
работу.
arrived.
С 25 позиций.
Final station. Welcome to Sky Avenue. And there's the Hotel First World. What's about Hotel First World?
Смотри,
What's the
какой огромный
record?
отель. Был, it was biggest in world.
Да,
It was biggest in the world, but now not anymore.
По количеству номеров.
Рисовка какая интересная.
Да, видишь,
It's really colorful.
Look at the hotel. Смотри, он работает внизу парк делает.
Colorful kayo.
Парк развлечений.
Oh, look at that. It's so
Тут
nice.
будут еще все
Day, awa daw panahuman, habit ang human day, mamalik ta diri, kumuhuman na lang siya.
карусели, качели.
Yeah.
Смотрели, все это будет ехать.
Uhod. Oh, we are here. Some people are already eager to go back down there, but we are just here. We just arrived and we will enjoy. Help, mom! Help, mom! We arrived, so I'm sure we have our picture here, but I'm not sure if we will buy it. So we will not buy the picture because I'm sure it's expensive. Expensive picture. So we are here, and what's in here? Basically, shops, restaurants, casinos, and shops and casinos and restaurants. So what's in there? It's some wow, look at that, it's so cool. Look, look at that. Look at that installation there. It's beautiful. I think we should go to different angle. Hey, honey, I think we should go there so we can see it properly. So there's rides for children. Interesting. Let's go to the other side. So there's the Resorts World logo. Interesting.
Танцы, да?
Oh, that's it. Human na. It's gone. I think we have to wait another hour for the repeat performance.